Hey everyone! Today I'll show you exactly how to embed Google Forms and Google Docs in WordPress. I'll walk you through both on the web. Let's start with Google Forms. Open your Google form and click the Publish button in the top right corner. A confirmation or send options dialog will appear. Now click the three-dot icon, that's the vertical ellipsis in the top right, near where you just clicked Publish. You'll see a drop-down menu with multiple sharing options. In that menu, click the Embed HTML tab. It's represented by two outward-facing caret symbols, the less than and greater than signs. An iframe code snippet will appear in the dialog box. Click the Copy button below that code snippet to copy it to your clipboard. You might see a brief copied confirmation. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Pages or Posts in the left sidebar and open the page or post where you want the form to appear. You can edit an existing one or create a new one. Once your editor loads, click the plus icon to add a new block. You'll find it in the top left corner or inline within your content. When the block selection menu appears, search for Custom HTML and add that block. Paste your iframe code into the Custom HTML block. Click the Preview button on the block toolbar or the top editor toolbar to see how your form looks. Once you're happy with it, click Publish or Update in the top right corner of the editor. You'll see a confirmation message when the page is saved. Now for Google Docs. Open Google Drive and navigate to the document you want to embed. Once it's open in the Google Docs editor, click the Share button in the top right corner if you need to adjust access settings. Set it to Anyone with the link can view, so it's publicly accessible. Next, click the File menu in the top left, then select Publish to the web. A dialog box will appear. Click the Embed tab within that dialog. You'll see embed options and an iframe code will become visible. Click the Publish button and confirm by clicking OK when the prompt appears. Google will generate an iframe code for you. Copy that iframe code to your clipboard. Go back to your WordPress editor. Open the page or post where you want the document, click the plus icon, and add another custom HTML block. Paste the iframe code you just copied into that block. Preview the page to make sure the document renders correctly, then click Publish or Update to save your changes. Here are a few things to remember. Any updates you make to your Google Doc will automatically show up on your WordPress site as long as the doc stays published to the web. If your form or document doesn't fit quite right, you can adjust the width and height values directly in the iframe code. Test both embeds on desktop and mobile to make sure they look good on all devices. Thanks for watching.